game. Let's see what red objects there are. Red. A fire truck. An apple. Cherries. Strawberries. Great! We've learned all the objects. Let's put objects back in their places. Let's try again. Strawberries. An apple. Cherries. A fire truck. Good job! All the objects are in their places.
In the fields, the blue tractor on big wheels. In its trailer, someone.
Let's pick a suitable item. Right. Correct. Not exactly. Well done. Let's try again. Correct. Good job. All the objects are in their places. Let's help the tractor choose the right way. Let's try again. Well done! Perfect! The blue tractor has reached its objective. Get notified about new classes. Let's see what yellow objects there are. Purchase a subscription to study all the... It's time to play. Pick a topic. Let's see what vegetable... Garlic. Broccoli. A carrot. Potatoes. Great! We've learned all the objects. Let's put vegetables back in their places. Nope. Let's try again. Broccoli. Potatoes. A carrot. Garlic. Good job! All the objects are in their places.
In the fields,
With your finger, draw a circle on the screen. Potatoes. Garlic. A carrot. Broccoli. Well done! You've colored all the objects. Let's find all the hidden objects. Potatoes. Garlic. Broccoli. A carrot. Awesome! You've found all the objects. Let's see what fruits there are.